awesome friend right here, Amanda. Hi.
Thank you for watching DJTV.
Forever high, love, always been the bad one. Riding just to feel light, screaming, dreaming, feeding fire. We've got that something, hearts on fire, I'm dripping.
What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning back in to my channel. Today we're going to talk about keto, how you can start keto for beginners. If you're just now learning about keto, thinking about getting in the keto diet, you want to lose weight, or if you just want to have overall well-being and just feeling healthy and being healthy, keto is the way to go. Not only just for losing weight, also for heart disease, any health issues you may have. Keto is just the perfect diet. It clears your mind mentally. You get more energy throughout the day. You feel confident with your body. Besides weight loss, there's a lot of benefits with keto. Stick around and I will explain how to get started to keto and the best ways to get started. Let's begin. For those of you who are trying to get into keto, I'm sure you've already done your research. There's plenty of doctors and nutritionists out there who go more in depth with the whole keto process. Nutritionists, doctors, there's a bunch of other YouTubers on this platform that explains the whole keto diet. I'm not gonna get all scientific. I'm just gonna keep it in simple to understand terms. The typical American diet, our body runs on glucose, right? Carbohydrates, sugars convert into glucose. Our body gets the fuel from glucose, correct? Constantly, 100% always on glucose. When you're on keto, you're restricting your body from carbs and sugars, which means there's no more glucose in your system. So where's your body gonna get all the energy from? So that's when your body starts seeking fuel from fat sources. So as you're consuming high fats, your body is getting all the energy from the fats. Eventually, your body becomes fat adapted and fat becomes your primary source of energy. And then eventually, the fats you consume, your dietary fats, your body utilizes it. It starts burning body fat, fat that's already stored within you. As long as you restrict yourself from carbohydrates and sugars, I know it's hard. Believe me, it was hard the first couple weeks, but after a while, I stopped craving for candy. I stopped craving for sweets. I stopped craving for snacks. You just have to have that willpower. Like the first couple weeks is gonna be hard. And I'm sure you've also heard about the keto flu. Yes, that is a thing. The keto flu is just something your body just goes through for so many years. The majority of your life, it's been running off sugar. Sugar and carbs was your primary source. So the fact that your body is transitioning into a brand new energy source, aka fats, you go through a little bit of a flu. You start to feel sick, you get nauseous. Yeah, that happened to me. But you know, as long as you drink a lot of water, you gotta up your intake of potassium, magnesium, and sodium. Drink a lot of water. It'll at least, the keto flu wouldn't be so bad. It is something your body goes through. It's a detoxifying mechanism. Your body is just detoxifying from all that sugar, all that glucose you have in your system, utilizing every last bit of it. Once all the glucose is completely flushed out of your liver, then it starts getting energy from fats. So as long as you're consuming high fats, the ideal ratio, 70 to 75% fats, 20 to 25% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. What I did the first couple weeks, I did not go over 20 grams of carbs. I've been using this app, Nutritionix. There's also another one called MyFitnessPal. I was using both for a while. It was just a pain in the ass having to log in my calories on both platforms, so I just stuck with Nutritionix. But it's a good app. I portion everything out, weigh it on a food scale, then I just input the amount that I'm eating. Every meal, I'm inputting my meal. I'm counting all my calories. And you just want to make sure by the end of the day, your macronutrients is 70 to 75% fat, 20 to 25% protein, and 5% or less of carbohydrates. And as long as you maintain that, you have willpower, you keep doing that. No cheat days. Remember that, no cheat days. That one day when you cheat and you have high carbs, it may reset your body and you may have to start all over again. You wouldn't want that, you know? So I just had willpower, sucked it up, just went all out. No bread, no pasta, no rice, no sugars, not even like apple, oranges, bananas. The only fruits I was eating was raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries. Berries basically is very low carbs. It took about 2 weeks and then my body became fat adapted. I transitioned into keto. You can click on the video up here above. I ordered these ketone strips, the best ketone strip, very accurate strips that you pee on, and it lets you know the concentration of ketones you have in your body. To make the whole explanation short, as soon as all the sugars, the glucose, carbs is flushed out of your system, your body starts developing ketones. Your body starts using your fat, dietary fat, so the fat you consume, and then once all that is consumed, it starts burning fat, body fat, the fat that you already have in your system. Any excess stored fat that you have, it starts utilizing that for energy, and that's exactly what you want. All of a sudden, you'll start seeing yourself losing weight. You'll still retain muscle. As long as you're consuming your protein, you're doing your training, you will still retain your muscle. You won't lose muscle. Keep consuming the protein that you need, and you'll just be burning fat. As your body produces more ketones, it's going to continue to burn fat. So you're basically burning fat in your sleep. You'll wake up 2 pounds less, 24/7, burning all the fat. As long as you're in ketosis, your body is just constantly burning fat, and that's what you want. If you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to burn fat, you're trying to get a couple sizes smaller, you want to be in the state of ketosis, and you want to stay in the state of ketosis until your desired body fat level is obtained, right? And I know you're going to have days where you just start craving that sugar, you're craving that pastry, that donut, but just have willpower. If you ever feel like you need to eat something, eat some nuts, some almonds, some macadamia nuts, some Brazil nuts, and just drink a lot of water, you'll be fine. You'll get the body you deserve, you'll get the body you want, and you'll be in the state of ketosis. After a while, if you've been in keto for some time, you can have some cheat days where there could be one day you can just go all out on carbs. You'll get kicked out of ketosis, but a day or two later, you can get back into ketosis as long as you have that discipline and you transition back. But in the beginning, like the first month of keto, you don't want to have any cheat days. Just be strict with your diet, 70 to 75% fat, 20 to 25% protein, 5% carbs. Use the app Nutritionix. It's a free app. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. It's just an awesome app that I've been using. I love it. It works very well. And I've been keeping track of all my nutrients, counting all my calories with this app. And you'll be good. I will have more keto videos coming up. I'm about 87 days into keto. So, props to me. Congratulations. High five, yay. All right, yeah. It was tough. The hardest part was the first couple weeks. Once I got over that, got over the keto flu, I was able to maintain it. I stopped craving carbs. I stopped craving sugars, and I've been doing well. My face got a little thinner. I don't have a chipmunk face, chubby cheeks anymore like I did like a year ago. I feel good too. I have more energy throughout the day. I'm also gonna have a body transformation video that I'm working on right now, like a before and after, the changes that my body has gone through being on the keto diet. Basically, I'm living proof that yes, the keto diet does work, and I did lose weight. I did lose body fat, and it's strictly just a change of diet. Like, I haven't even been working out. Like, I don't even have time to work out. I'm literally constantly editing, constantly filming. No weight training, not even cardio, not even jogging or running. Maybe just like when I wake up in the morning, I just do some stretches, and I have this pull-up bar on my door. I just do some pull-ups, some chin-ups. That's about it, but like no cardio, no other exercises, just chin-ups, pull-ups, a little bit of push-ups, some sit-ups, but no cardio. Just strictly a change of diet. So yes, keto does work, folks. You can click up here, the body transformation video, check it out. You'll see the whole process from right when I started keto all the way till today, before and after. I even measure myself on the smart scale, kept track of my calories, kept track of my progress. I'm still working on the video. A few weeks after I post this one, the video should be out, so you can just click on it right now. I'm waiting until day 90, so probably in 3 days, I'm gonna just start cutting up the video, start putting it together. But yeah, 90 days into the keto diet, it's gonna be lit. I've been using a smart scale. I've been keeping track of my entire progress. It has everything from my body mass index, my body fat percentage, my subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, muscle mass, everything. It keeps track of it. I have another video, you can check it out right up here, on how to use this app and my whole progress. I'm just gonna have several videos on keto. I think I'm gonna cover that niche, is keto, because I have been on keto. I'm living the keto lifestyle, so I should add some keto content in my channel. So if you guys are interested in keto, you guys wanna follow me on my keto journey, then go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, share this video, leave a comment. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. I'll see you on the next one. Shit.